Welcome once again. You're watching English with Akram, and there is debate once again. And topic of the debate is, can money buy happiness? So first, I would like to call.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. You are watching your favorite channel English with Akram, and today I am here at the Ideal Academy to do debate. The topic of debate is, can money buy happiness or not? So we all know very well that money is the just piece of paper, and I am against of it. That money cannot buy happiness. The happiness which we get by money, that is just for short term. We cannot be happy for long lasting for long time because of the money. And first of all, I want to tell you that money can give you everything according to my opponent's team, that they all are saying that money can give you respect, it can give you better health, it can give you everything. So I want to say you that just money can give you standard, not happiness. Money can give you better treatment but not better health. Means money cannot give you everything. And if I give you example, means if I tell you a report, the proceedings of National Academy of Science, it was published by the psychologist Dayton in 2010. In this, he said that money is just a piece of paper, and more money means we have a lot of money, so we cannot get happiness. More money provides us problems, stress, dissatisfaction. Because if we have money, so we think that I have to increase my money, I have to increase my level. But by increasing my level, by increasing my money, I do not focus on me, I do not focus on my relation means with my with my family. I do not focus on them, by which I leave them behind. Morning everyone, my name is Sabah, and today we all are gathered here to do debate on a very charismatic topic, that can money buy happiness. As in my personal point of view, yes, of course, money can really buy the happiness. How? Today I am gonna prove it. Okay, at first, I would like to tell you all this thing, that the ways of getting happiness can be different for every person. Means, if I can get happiness by the money, so it doesn't mean that every person can get happiness by the money. Okay, and we can buy happiness. Means, I'm not saying that we can buy happiness directly, like we will go to the shop and we will buy happiness. No, we can buy those things by which we get happiness. Okay, and I would like to talk about dreams, that if we have money, so we can complete our desires, we can complete our dreams. Okay, suppose that you have to be a doctor. Can you be the doctor without money? Of course not. You cannot be the doctor without money in this era. You will have to spend too much money. Okay, let it be. If I talk about a cricketer, if you have to be a cricketer, so can you be a cricketer without money? No. Just on the behalf of your hard work, you cannot be. You will need money there. For example, you will need academic fees. You will need equipments. You will need travel. You will need money for travel. There are so many factors by which you will become a cricketer. So there you need money, and definitely when you will achieve your goal, so you will be happy. And if you are unable to complete your goal, so will you be happy? Of course not. For your whole life you cannot be happy. Okay, as she told that just on the behalf of money you can become cricketer, you can become doctor. Means just you have to throw your money and you will be MBBS, you will be BUMS. Means you need not to do study, right? Just money can provide you books or better teachers, not education, not experience. Okay, and if I tell you about the respect, somebody told from this team that we can buy respect from the money. So I want to tell you that respect we do not get by the money, and we do not get by the money. Just our money gets respect by which we have. Okay, if I tell you about and Khalid told that we can buy love, we can buy feelings. So take the example of Salman Khan, take the example of Rekha, who is actress. Has they gotten their love? Do not have their money. And respect, if I tell you that always respect is not the way of respect, means always money is not the way of respect. Because we take the example of soldiers, doctors, teachers, professors. We do not have we do not give respect to them on the behalf of their money. Means we have nothing to do, nothing
to do with their money, with their income. Just on the behalf of their education, on the behalf of their etiquettes, we give them respect.
Okay, so now I would like to give answer to my opponent. As she mentioned about the doctor, that if we want to be a doctor, just on the behalf of money we can be. First of all, I didn't say this thing. I said that just on the behalf of our hard work we cannot be. We will need our hard work there, and we will need money as well. Okay, and in her first turn she mentioned about the money, that money is a piece of paper. I don't think so, because ask to those people who live in slums areas. Ask to them what is the value of money. They need money. Means, if I tell you the report, according to the National Crimes Bureau, 1,604,000 people died just because of the hunger, because of money. Don't they need money? They need money. Okay.
Okay, as she told that this much people died just because of hunger, so this is the fault of our government, because our government is not seeing them that people or the citizens of their country are dying just because of the hungerness. Take the example of UAE, where you can get sufficient food for yourself just only in 1 riyal. That is that government is good, and in that country nobody dies because of the hunger. And if I tell you about the now I want to give answer.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm not giving answer, I'm just telling that the donation, that people who are rich, they are thinking that they donate much money in the comparison of middle class. But if I give you the example, or if I tell you the data, so according to the data, 87% middle class people donate their money, and just only 37% rich people donate their money to poor people. Okay, you know why middle class families or why middle class people donate their money more? Because they know the value of money.
Okay, so as she mentioned about the government, first of all, I would like to say you that do not blame the government. You need not to depend on the government. You have to become independent. If you have to eat the food, so you will have to earn money by yourself. Okay, and in this era, money plays a very important role for becoming something and for completing our desires.
Wait, okay, as I tell you about the happiness, that they are favoring that money can buy happiness, so I want to give example. Take the example of Hardik Pandya, take the example of Mohammad Shami, and Elon Musk.